to a chaplain. It is something bothering you, Marie?
Yes, sir. I've been reading the New Testament, and 6 months ago I prayed to receive the Lord as my Savior. I want to know exactly what I should. You were born again.
How was school, babe?
Good.
Good?
With my life is to tell others about
School was good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you carrying your car?
Yeah. Because she goes somewhere with her car.
Nên là ôi quả mong một đây.
Babe, what do you want to say something? You want to say something? Okay. All right, let's go home.
Quả đi. Cô tao cái phải à, phải đi ở đây xem đấy.
Like there.
Nói chuyện là mà khí đấy. Cô tao cái phải à.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
How was your school?
Great.
Baby Baupo. Baby Baupo is so beautiful, like baby,
So
right?
hot.
Baby is so
Tako ya.
beautiful.
Quan tâm mà tên
Baca Jawa Sonalo.
tâm mà tên
I can hear ice cream.
tâm mà
Oh, I can hear ice
Take off
Cái này
your mask.
Mom nó có cái ai biết à?
Why don't you take off your mask?
Because I focus.
Hả?
You do it.
Ở nó tên là
Food.
mình ra ở làm nè.
One drop.
Dạ. Ủa tao coi nhà kì.
at stuff and look at him. Yeah. Oh, you're talking to my friend. What's that? What up? Come. What up? Okay, let's come over here. Okay? My friend is gonna come over here. I'm gonna go watch my friend. Just in case. Hi guys! I'll put a spike. This is good man. He's coming our way. 10 minutes.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
My uncle Luther friend.
I couldn't
Voice
break.
crusher.
I couldn't break.
You have no stop. Not videoing me. Stop. Friend, I said come, friend. You don't come. I'm not gonna be a friend anymore.
No, we're just joking. You're joking. You're joking, cameraman. Yeah, I'm joking, cameraman.
Why you keep calling me? Bye. Bye. Go away. Okay? Bye. See ya. Whoa. Uncle, look.
Yeah, go there.
Look.
Yeah, come here.
Look.
I know.
got a tree.
Come here. Okay.
ready this one. Look. I got in that tree. Okay, come. I'm gonna get in that tree so we can have lunch. We have to watch it first. I'm gonna go get more, okay? I got some.
I talked to a Spanish girl.
And look, this he's about to eat, okay?
I talked to a Spanish girl, a woman, I think. Yeah.
Guys, come, guys. Come. Come, Uncle. Come, come. Come back. Got it? See it? Look, I got you.
I'm back in.
He's going around. We better go. Go. Come follow me. Follow me. Come. You feel?
No, they'll grow up if you touch them.
Huh?
They'll grow up if you touch them. You see? It's good.
You feel it grow?
No, the tree will grow.
Whoa, that's a great idea, right?
Yeah,
This one? Whoa, that's
all of them.
good. It's gonna be awesome. Food, right?
They don't have no food.
I'm just gonna play with them. Yeah. Ah! Get it, Okay, now the last one is. Okay, got it. Now we have to go to home, guys. Hey, wait for me! Hey, wait for me! Yeah!
Where? Your bike fell down? Blue with one hand.
I need to get more. There! Guys, come, guys.
Car. Car, go.
Look at Circle K.
Sugar K. Yeah?
Follow me, guys.
Okay.
Guys, follow me. I'm gonna get more things so we can be full. Okay?
Okay.
Follow me, guys. Follow me. Hey, follow me.
Okay.
Hey, come. Come here. Come here. Come, guys. I'm gonna go with you guys.
She said to come. Break? No. I did not do a break. Not chilly here.
I'm gonna leave my shoes here. Guys, look! Look! My foot is dirty. Because I take my shoes over. Do you see it? Right here. I got my shoe. I'm going to show you.
Piñata. It's a piñata. Whoa! I almost fell. Watch this.
Guys, I found my shoes. Is it on my feet? Me too, touch it. Oh, the ground is so warm. Here. So warm. Oh, my foot is getting dirty. Ah, my foot's getting dirty and black. Guys, my foot's getting blacker and black. Because I stand on this. Look. 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 Look at my foot. My foot's dirty. Oh. Look at my foot.
Ew!
I know because I step on here. Step over here.
Now.
10 minutes. Please.
Alright, let's go there. Look at that, it's so
Guys,
beautiful.
look over